welcome back to another episode of Buddy the Borador, the show where we bring you reviews on dog treats, toys, equipment and vlogs from this guy here. Today is a very, very special episode because Buddy turns 1 today. So we're going to be heading off to my mum and dad's house soon. I'm going to quickly grab a birthday cake of some sort from the dog cafe that we visited last weekend. If you haven't checked out that episode yet, I'll put a link in the description below. But then we're going to be sharing some treats with Bella and Marley, my mum and dad's King Charles Spaniel and Beagle, which I'm sure you've seen in some of the other episodes. And there's also going to be Molly there, the Bichon Frise, who is my grandma's dog. Isn't that right, mate? Yeah, that's right. Yeah. I've actually seen on Instagram as well, my sister tagged us in the picture yesterday that she bought us a present and a card for Buddy. So again, if you want to follow us on Instagram, it's buddy.the.borador, and I post daily stuff on there. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, make sure you follow us. But yeah, 1 year with Borador, there's been some absolutely hilarious memories, like stuff like this. He's a man. Ah! Oh, that really hurt. Ah, my wrist. He's going mad. He's going mad. Oh. Oh, that one really hurt as well. Ow, 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 ow. Whoa! Whoa! What's he doing? What's Molly doing? Molly, what are you doing? He's going mad. Oh my god. But he's gonna get him. Jump on him. Oh! It's Pandemonium! Oh! Entering the ring, weighing 600 pounds. It's Bella the Beagle! Boradors are absolutely brilliant dogs to get. They're really kind and care in nature, makes them a must-have dog. I've grown up with Labradors as well, so getting Buddy was an absolute treat for me, really. And I like big cuddly dogs as well. But he's like a medium-sized dog as well, so he's not massive. But he does take up quite a bit of the bed, as you've seen in some of the previous videos. But you know, I kind of thank him enough for all these brilliant memories, and I'm sure there's going to be plenty more to come. Isn't that right, mate? So without further ado, let the birthday celebrations begin! Also, this is some of the stuff that I'm bringing to my mum and dad. So we've got bottom sniffer beer for dogs, Prosecco, and we've also got beef flavoured popcorn. As you can hear, Buddy is very, very excited, aren't you, mate? So here we are, ready to set off to my mother and father's, and oh, look at the wind mirror! Bird shat on it! Right, so I've just popped to the shop and I've grabbed them all a birthday cake. So I just went to the Co-op quickly and got a rainbow star party cake. It was a £5. But then I also went to the Barking Bistro, a little dog cafe near where we live, and got these really cool dog biscuits. So hopefully the dogs like them. Time to head back to my mother and father's house. Let's go. Hello, Bella. Yeah, Buddy, hiya, Molly, how are you? Oh, that is just like a giant weapon, isn't it? Oh my god, look at the size of that thing. Oh, it's going insane. Man, it's going insane. Ah! Hello. Hello. Whoa. This actually reminds me of a certain clip. Try to jump on us. Hello. Alright. Whoa. Whoa. So here we are. This is my mother and father's kitchen. We're currently making Sunday lunch. We're having mince and dumplings. But here we go. This is the dog sniffer beer. So we're gonna try it out, see if Bella, Buddy and Marley like it. So you've got Marley, Bella, and of course, Buddy. Alright, so here we go. Ooh, Tuck in. Buddy seems to be a fan, but Bella's like, you get this stuff away from us, mate. Go on in. Go on in. Bella.
No.
You want to try some?
Not really, no.
Oh, surely it can't be that bad.
Obviously.
Go on, try some.
No!
Go on, try some, it's nice.
Yeah, get the camera out my face. Molly, what's that? Molly, what about that? Grab me handbag.
Alright, there you go, mate. Happy birthday. Way. Molly, there you go. That's for you. Whoa. Oh, there you go. I don't know if Molly's going to like this or not, but I'll give it a go. Yeah, look at all the crumbs on the sofa as well. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, Molly. Oh, my foot, man. Whoa, Molly, man. Hey. Hang on, I'll get you one, 2 seconds. Ah, me thumb, man. Happy birthday to you.
Molly's like, me!
It's not your card. Yeah. What's the card? Oh, happy birthday. Best wishes to Buddy. Happy birthday. Love from Auntie Meg and Uncle Martin. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. There you go. Oh, there you go. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Go on then. Hey. Oh. Oh. There you go. Barking mad doggy chocolate. Get in. Yeah, we've had to improvise, and sadly we only have tea lights, so this is gonna have to do.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Buddy. Happy birthday to you. Pip. Hey. Right, so thank you very much for watching today's episode on Buddy's birthday. One final note, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Right. No, you're gonna... I'm trying to write subscribe, man.